What's going on, everybody? Today we're at the Luxor, gonna do a room tour of the Tower Premier Room. This is the King Room on floor 14, room 14204. Let's check it out. So this is one of the remodeled rooms here at Luxor. To the left, when you come in, you've got the bathroom. Here's your mirror, remodeled countertops, and then behind it is a tub. So you got a big tub that you can soak in, and then there's a stand-in shower. So you've got a stand-in shower tub combo. It's pretty cool. Then obviously the toilet is over here. And then coming out of the bathroom to your immediate right, you've got a full body mirror. So you need to check yourself out, get a full body view. You've got it. Here is the luggage stand. Have no idea why it's here, but that's there if you need to store your luggage. Here's a desk area if you need to do some work. You've got the desk with a lamp here, and there's a phone. And then you've got a flat screen TV as well. And then here is your closet. So it's the standard closet items. You've got your ironing board, and hangers. Here is the safe. So instead of it being in the closet, it's actually a pull out. So you can actually pull it out, lock it in, and then you've got some other storage space here as well. A couple drawers down there as well. Then to the other side, here we have a second closet. So if you need extra space, you've got two closets. Then you got another big mirror here. So you've got your coffee maker here. Then down here you have a refrigerator, so you can keep things cold. And then you got a sink. And then this is the bed. So you've got the king size bed. You've got two overhead lights. And then we'll go over, and as you see, you've got a table with two chairs and then another lamp. So if you want to lounge or if you need some extra space for guests, you have it. And then floor to ceiling windows. This is actually a city view room. So as you see, you'll get views of the city of Vegas in Nevada and the mountains as well. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.